Hi student, welcome in chemistry classes. Now we are discussing about coordination compounds. The topic is isomerism in coordination compounds. Okay, yes student, we have already know that isomerism for organic compounds, but here discuss about for the inorganic compounds like coordination complex. Okay, so the definition for isomerism. First of all, what is isomerism? So iso means equal, mets means par. Simple. So simply say isomerism means equal par. That means the same. So here the definition for isomerism, the molecular formula is same but different physical and chemical properties due to arrangement of the ligands around the central metal atom or ion to produce isomerism. Is called the definition for coordination compounds. Okay. Further, this isomerism subdivided by two types. One is structural isomerism, another one is stereoisomerism. We have discussed about structural and then stereoisomerism. What is structural isomerism? Due to the different arrangement of the structures form the structural isomerism. That means coordination complex or coordination compound is a different arrangement based on the ligands and then counter ions also etc. So further this structural isomerism divided by four types. Very important, the four types. One is coordination isomerism. It's called coordination isomerism. Another one is ionization isomerism. Third one is solvate isomerism. It is also called hydrated isomerism because the solvate isomerism, if present in water molecule, also is called hydrate isomerism. And then final fourth one is a linkage isomerism. This linkage isomerism based on the ligands. Different types of the ligand is attached to the central metal atom to form the linkage isomerism. Okay, so and then next stereoisomerism. Stereo means it is a spatial arrangement like three-dimensional space arrangement. Like three-dimensional spatial arrangement around the central metal atom and then ions due to the ligands. Okay. Further, this stereoisomerism classified two types. One is a geometrical isomerism, another one is a optical isomerism. So geometrical isomerism is nothing but cis and trans isomerism. Further, optical isomerism is nothing but D and L isomerism. So now we have discussed about only for the structural isomerism for in these classes. Okay, so discuss one by one detail for structural isomerism. Okay, so okay student, first we have discussed structural isomerism. First of all, coordination isomers. This coordination isomers rises due to both cationic and anionic complex compounds. Okay, that means cationic and anionic complex ions. So these coordination isomerism main important concept due to interchange of ligands, one or more ligands. That means one ligand change to another ligand. One ligand replaceable occupied to the other ligand by both anionic and cationic complex. So interchange of one or more ligand between cationic and anionic coordination entity. It is called cationic. Is called anionic coordination entity. So here one or more ligands interchange. You know about for the ligands: cyanido, chlorido, amine, aqua, etc. These are the ligands. So we have the coordination entity result in different isomerism. It is called coordination isomers or coordination isomerism. This phenomenon is called coordination isomerism. Okay, you take example 1. So cobalt CONH36 also CrCN6. It is a bimetallic complex. First complex it is a cationic complex and the second complex it is an anionic complex. It is a positive, it is also negative complex. Here in this complex amine ligands. These amine ligands were bounded to cobalt central metal atom. In this anionic complex, cyanido ligands is bounded to chromium central metal atom. So these ligands are interchanged. Anionic complex and a cationic complex interchange due to rises different isomerism. It is called different isomerism. Like here in this complex, amine is bonded to chromium. Also cyanide is bonded to cobalt. So the ligand is interchanged. So this complex is called coordination isomerism. Okay. So furthermore example is present here also. Here one ligand interchange, but here in this coordination entity is a two ligand is present. One is a amine, another one is a cyanide. These two ligand is bounded to chromium central metal atom, and also here amine, one amine ligand, 5 cyanide ligand is bounded to cobalt central metal atom. These ligands interchange this chromium, this ligand interchange for this cobalt. So different coordination isomerism is formed. This is another one example. So last is a good example, 4 coordinated complex. These are the two example, 6 coordinate complex. In this example 4 coordinated complex. So platinum amine ligand is attached to the platinum, fluoride ligand is attached to the palladium. This ligand is a interchange due to the interchange to form in this coordination entity complex, both anionic and a cationic complex. So it is a coordination isomerism. So very simple, coordination isomerism means due to interchange of the ligands, one or more ligands. That's all. Okay. Next, ionization isomerism. This type of the isomerism rises due to counter ions act as a ligands. Here, that means counter ionizable counter ion, it is act as a ligands. You see, also this ionization isomerism will give different ions in the solution state. Suppose you take one of the coordination compounds in presence of the solution state, it will give ions, cation and then anion, here like that. So you take this complex in the solution state, platinum En twice Cl2 2 plus and then plus 2 Br minus to give two types of the ions. Here these ions is called counter ions. Counter ions. These counter ions act as a ligand. It's act as ligands. Will result from ionization isomerism. So the interchange or exchange of counter ions with ligands, exchange of counter ions with one or more ligands in coordination entity. So coordination entity. So exchange of one or more ligand in coordination entity by using the counter ion is called ionization isomerism. It is a very simple. So I give for the one example, platinum En twice Cl2 square bracket Br2 and platinum En twice Br2 also Cl2. Here Br2 in this first complex, Br2 it is act as a counter ions. In the solution state, it will give platinum En twice Cl2 2 plus and 2 Br. So in the first complex, Br act as a counter ions. and then this second complex here, this second complex chloride ion act as a counter ion. This chloride ion act as a counter ion. So platinum En twice Br2 and then Cl2 gives platinum En twice Br2 2 plus and then 2 Cl minus. It is a counter ions. So these counter ion act as a ligands because it is a exchange. So inside the square bracket, that is called coordination entity, will be result to form ionization isomerism. Okay. So next isomerism, solvent isomers or hydrate isomers. So exchange of solvent molecule such as water, ammonia is called solvent isomers. Suppose in solvent isomers present in water molecule is called hydrated isomers. This phenomena also is called hydrated isomerism. So what is hydrated isomerism? Means different types of water molecule present in inside the square bracket and outside the square bracket is called hydrated isomerism. That means when water molecule present in inside the square bracket, it is act as a ligands, and water molecule present in outside the square bracket, it is act as a water of crystallization or hydration of water. This is a main important concept of hydrate isomerism or solvent isomerism. So different but molecular formula, same composition. Okay. So already say here water molecule act as a two ways. One is a ligand, another one is a water of hydration. Already say, so ligand inside the coordination sphere and then water of hydration outside the coordination sphere is called hydrate solvent isomers or hydrate isomers. So one example is a good example. So chromium H2O 6Cl3, that means chromium Cl3.6H2O. It is a molecular formula composition. So in this composition we have different arrangement. So inside the coordination sphere, water molecule act as a ligand, and outside the coordination sphere, water molecule act as a crystal, water of crystallization, because here 6 water molecules are present. To take first complex is a chromium H2O 6Cl3. So hexa aqua chromium 3 chloride. It is a violet color. Here 6 water molecule act as a ligands because water molecule present in inside the coordination sphere. So it gives violet colors. So in the process of solution state, 3 chloride ions solution state, it gives 3 chloride ion is a give. So suppose you take in the solution, put in the AgCl to give 3 chloride ions. Okay. Next here, 1 water molecule go for the outside the sphere, 1 chlorine molecule come to inside the sphere. So we get Cr H2O 5 Cl Cl2 dot H2O. This H2O is act as a water of hydration. Water of hydration. It's a monohydrate molecule. So it is a ligands. So it is a pale green color. Here penta, aqua, chlorido, chromium 3 chloride and monohydrate. It is a formula. In this third example, chromium H2O 4 water molecules are present. These 4 water molecule bound to the chromium metal ion. Also 2 chloride ion. Also here for the chlorine outer space chlorine is present and 2 water molecules are present. It is a dihydrate. So to give the dark green color. So put the solution to give for the monochloride. That means 1 chlorine ion is given here, 2 2 chloride ion is given. Here 1 3 chloride ion is given. It is a solvated isomerism. So based on the water molecule. So main important concept here, water molecule present in inside the square bracket act as a ligand, and outside the square bracket this act as a water of hydration or crystallization. It is called hydrated isomers or solvated isomers. Okay. So next isomerism, linkage isomerism. This type of isomerism rises based on the ligands. So that ligands can act as a two donor site is present. That is called ambidendate ligand. So complex compound which contains ambidendate ligand. So ambidendate ligand means two donor atoms. Two donor atom is present. That is called ambidendate ligands, like NO2 and ONO, cyanido, Cn minus also, ambidendate ligand, Cn minus, NCS also. These are some example ambidendate ligand. So these types of ligand contain two donor atom is present. At a time, one donor atom is linked to central metal atom or ion to form coordination complex. It's called a linkage isomerism. Here, example, here metal is present. NO2, it is an ambidendate ligand. Here, when NO2, the nitrogen atom is directly attached to the metal atom, central metal atom or ions. Similarly, this NO2 ligand also, here oxygen atom is directly attached to the central metal atom or ion. So this type of the isomerism is called linkage isomerism. Here nitrogen is a donor position and also here oxygen is a donor position, but the ligand is NO2 ligand. So it is a linkage isomerism. So one example, so cobalt NH3 and NO2 2 plus, this complex example for linkage isomerism. So central metal atom or ion act as a cobalt, and then 5 amine ligand is a present. It is called a 5 amine ligand is a present. 1 2 3 4 5. Also the sixth side is a NO2. Here nitrogen can donate 2 pair of electron through the central metal atom or ion. So it is a one donor side. So it is called nitro. So nitrogen is directly to donate for the pair of electron through the central metal atom. It's called nitro ligands. Similar here in this structure, similar is a cobalt, is also 5 amine ligand is a present. Here this oxygen atom NO2 molecule also, that is called nitrito. Here when oxygen atoms are directly attached to the central metal atom, so here this oxygen atom is directly attached to the central metal atom, so it is a different donor side. It is called ambidendate ligand. It is a good example. Okay student, thank you.